What's up, guys? This is a little bit of a different kind of video. We're in the Virgin Islands and we're going fishing with Salty Salt, and we can't wait to see what we get.
Alright, we're about to fish here. We're going to be fishing for grouper and snapper in about 30 feet on this reef. The most beautiful place I think we've ever seen. So follow along. Hopefully we hook up here soon. She's scared of it. You want to see it?
Okay.
I do.
Oh, I already see him.
Well, we're hiding from the wind today. It's windy. These got some clear because it's been real hot the last few days.
I want to see. Baby.
A nice grouper. All right, girls, I'm gonna swing him this way, okay? That guy
Wow.
eats. Nice.
What are they? Fish.
Yeah.
Cute.
Snappers, the red snappers that you have here.
We have mutton snapper, we have yellowtail snapper, we have vermilion snapper, yellow eye snapper, queen.
Another small one.
Oh, careful with those, that's what stung me.
Oh, I want to see.
Squirrel fish.
Where do they sting you from? Top?
Fish.
Oh, okay.
That's
You want pliers, use pliers, good to go.
They're kind of pretty and kind of ugly at the same time.
Yeah, that's called a squirrel fish.
Good thing it's small. Looks little though.
Squirrel fish. Another guy, another one of those pesky critters.
Another
Daddy, look. Now it's a squirrel.
Look at you learning your fish.
There you go, species identification. I love it. Did they get you? Sharp, they're sharp all over.
Really? Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, parrotfish.
Ooh, I want to see.
That's a wrasse. That fish is called a wrasse. They're actually really good eating, but they're protected here.
Really?
They are slippery.
Yeah, very slimy. So you girls, you know the beach sand you walk on in the beach? Those fish, the parrotfish, they eat off the reef. And whatever they clean off the reef and they poop out, that's the beach sand. I know, people were like, ew, but it's really, that's how the beach sand is made. You want pliers, my friends? You got it? I got it.
That's a really pretty fish.
Yeah, I wanna
Oh,
see.
they get much bigger than that.
You can't eat that one.
Unfortunately, no, they're really white meat, like a hogfish.
Oh,
Can I-
grab it again. There you go.
Good job.
Good job,
Yep, that's
Evie.
gonna be your favorite one.
Oh, she already is.
You just press it and let go. Press and hold. Did you get it?
Yep.
Ooh, good job. Babe. What
Nice,
is that?
nice fish. Porgy.
Porgy.
Yep, very good eating.
Look, Seiji. Look, Eva.
Real nice fish.
Look at this fish Daddy got. Porgy.
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 P-O-R-G-Y.
Look at this porgy.
What's up, guys? So we just got back from the boat and fishing and going to the beach, and now we're about to cook up some of the fish that we caught today with salty salt. Also, you guys should go. It's a really fun experience to do. And so we'll be cooking the fish, some steaks, and rice.
Alright, so we froze most of the fillets, but we kept out one rock-hine grouper and one porgy fillet. And I want to cook it up. The girls have never had just fresh out of the ocean fish. So we're going to cook this up real simple. I'm going to go skin on. We're going to scale it. Some panko, salt, pepper, onion, garlic, cooked in some butter, and go from there. So let me show you how this goes. Alright, so we got that fish descaled. You can see it's a beautiful white meat. It's a beautiful white meat, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some butter in this pan. I got it hot already, but alright, so we're gonna get that butter going and then get these fish seasoned up. We're just going panko, salt, pepper, and then we'll cut some garlic and onion and get that thrown in this butter here real quick. So here we go.
Alright, so Eva couldn't wait to get in the fish because she liked it so much. So we're just going to go ahead and try it now, and then we'll catch back up in a little bit.
Is it good, Eva? You like the grouper?
It's good. Tastes like chicken.
There's nothing like fresh fish.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut into the porgy and try that one.
Make sure there's no bones.
Alright. Mommy.
Wow.
Stop.
That tastes good, babe.
Which do you like better, grouper or porgy?
Grouper.
I like both of them. Both good.
I like the grouper more.
Alright, so there's not much fish left because Eva pretty much wiped it out. She loved it. But I'm going to try both of them and tell you what I think. First up is this grouper. And grouper is one of my favorite fish, so it's phenomenal. Don't even matter if how you cook it, it's just good every way, so that's great. And then next up is this porgy. Interesting, the porgy meat's kind of like, the texture is kind of like chicken, and it's super good too. I'll always put grouper above almost everything, so grouper is my pick, but the porgy, excellent. Grouper, excellent. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and close out this video, and just real quick wanted to say that the Virgin Islands are an amazing place, and we're so thankful that we got to come see God's great creation, and that He created places like this that we can come and enjoy, and so can you. And if you come, I highly recommend Salty Salt. We will link their contact information, and top-notch service, and they went above and beyond for us. So definitely check them out.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and if you like more fishing, if you want more fishing videos like these, make sure you let us know down in the comments, and we'll make sure to get some of those for you guys. Peace.